Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 update error, that is 0x8007025d. So if you are receiving this error code while updating Windows 10, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run Windows Update Troubleshooter. For this, go to the Start menu and then click on Settings. Now click on Update and Security. Now click on Troubleshoot. Click on Additional Troubleshooters. Now over here you can see Windows Update. Click on Run the Troubleshooter, and once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10. Now still you are receiving the error message, then reset Windows Update components. For this, copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description, so copy it till here and then open Notepad on your computer. So type in Notepad in Windows search box, open Notepad, paste all the command over here, then go to File, then click on Save As, save it to desktop and name this file as Wufix.bat, and for save as type, select all files and then click on Save. Now close this Notepad. Now go to desktop. Here you can see wufix.bat file. Make a right click, then click on Run as administrator. Click on Yes to allow. Now first of all, it will go ahead and stop all the Windows Update services, and then it will go ahead and restart all the Windows Update components. So this may take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute. So over here you can see this, the services are starting now. Now once done, it will close itself. Now you can restart your computer and then try to update your Windows. Now the next step is to use Windows 10 Update Assistant. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see the Update Assistant. So click on Update now and then run this exe file. Click on Yes to allow. Now it will go ahead and check for update. Now if there is any update, you will see the update option or install option, and then you can go ahead and update your Windows 10. Now still you are facing the problem. If nothing is working, you can use media creation tool. This should definitely work. So copy this link once again. This is the same website. Now on the same website, scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download tool now and then run this exe file, and then you will see this screen. Click on accept, and by default upgrade this PC now would be selected. Click on next. Now this will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now this process will take time. Now once the download is complete, you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. Now when this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So click on install. After the installation, log into your computer and your Windows 10 should be up to date, and you should not receive this error code anymore. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.